Hey guys, Professor here. We're basically going to scalp trade with a small account to show you what's possible. Let's get into it. We'll take multiple trades, multiple entries. Let's get into it. We are looking at MRO. Market is open. It's been 2 minutes. Got my time and sales. Hotkeys ready to go. We're just going with 1,200 shares. I think that's around $15,000 to $17,000 around that venue. So let's get into it. All right, as you can see, it hit resistance here. It's coming down. Market's open. Let's get rid of this. All right, let's do it. We're looking at this. It's failing to break through the 1407. You got the 20, the 200, the 9, the VWAP. Again, if you don't know what any of this means, go watch the previous videos. This is advanced level trading. It's holding. Let's see if we can short this thing. It fell to the 9. I'm sorry, VWAP. Let's see what happens. Let's get into it. Our entry was 1397 to the downside. As you can see, the volume, the sellers are coming in. They got pumped this morning aggressively. Strong support at 94. Keeps failing. Again, we're just shorting this down because you could see the pump and we saw it hit resistance, and now we can see it coming down. That usually happens when it gets pumped very aggressively. We're going to get out at 1384. This level. There we go. We're up $100 already. Just a small trade of $16,000. Got a little bit of buyers coming in, but this is just the battle between the buyers and sellers. This white line right here is a trend line, the overall trend. There we go. Let's get ready to get out of this trade. You have to buy it back. Selling it is shorting. Buying, you have to buy the shares back from the brokerage. Let's go. Let's fall a little further. There we go. Come on. There we go. Let's not let greed get to us. We can get out, but the trend line. We'll get out the trend line now. There we go. My exit has changed. It's shifted. All right, we can get out. All right, that was nicely done on that one. Nice short position. We're out. That's our 1,200 right there. It's not paper trading. This is real, by the way, right there. 1,200. I'll show you the P&L at the end. All right, we can take the entry back in. All right, we are back. Our entry was 1387. We're right here, 1,200, 1387. Better entry would have been 1384, but it's all good. It's all good. Strong support. We bounced, sidestep green candle. We're buying it back up. We're riding it all the way back to 94. I don't know why it's saying it's going in now, but I'm already in. All right, let's keep going. Oh, got sellers coming in. We'll go nice and clean ins and out. Nice and clean ins and out. We're good here. No real fear. We have a strong support here with the trend. We have strong support right here at 1384. So we're good. No fears here. We got the pump going already. Nice morning momentum. We can get ready to get out at resistance. Nice bullish green candle on that one. How's the volume looking on that? Not too much volume, but it's good. Hit the 9 and the 20 right on schedule because it is strong resistance. It is strong resistance. Let's see how we're going to play this out. There we go. It wants to break through. There you go. Come on, baby girl. Turn the SPY line for you guys. I don't know why that noise keeps happening, but it's all good because I already bought in. Show you that you don't need much money to make money on a blue chip, conservatively. Again, we're looking good on the 15. See the nice uptrend flowing up. RSI is looking fantastic. MACD is looking fantastic. Again, you don't know what these lines mean. Please go watch my content. Looks like it wants to go. We should exit here, but it looks like it wants to go. And it's flowing. Let's get the trend line going. All right, cool. We could exit. That was our exit anyway at 93. Done. Took two entries, a short and a long. The next entry would be 95. Let's take it. All right, we're back in at 95 because a penny above support. So we are good to go. That entry was 95, everybody. 13.95. 1 penny above support. Oh, someone bought 20,000 shares. All right, let's pump it up. Let's see if you want to consolidate or you want to go up. Just going to go up and down. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. It's holding nicely on the 9 and 20. Now it's sandwiched between the 9 and the VWAP. Strong levels of support resistance right here. Strong levels of support resistance right here. Now the 20. Cut our loss right here. We can short this bad boy down. Let's see. Now let's wait for it to fall a little further. Not yet. Not in the middle. You want to short it closer. Sorry. We wanted to short it closer here. Looks like this thing is going to fall. Let's try to get it back up here. Let's see if it fails that resistance level. Got buyers coming in. with that loss, we don't know how far it could have fallen. Not worth the risk. Again, on my second screen, I know you guys can't see it, but I have my second screen right here. I'm looking at the SPY and the futures, the oil futures. The SPY right now is, how's it looking? Looks like it's on a downtrend right now. We could have taken an entry on that. That's a missed entry right there. Alright, it's so good though. It'll come back. Hit resistance, come back down. Oh, that could have been a short. It's all good now. The trend looks like it's to the upside. Let's see how it holds. What do we got here? 100,000, 107,000, 51,000. We got big sells coming in. Got really aggressive red bearish candles. Bullish, bearish. It's a big war happening between them right now. The battle of the buyers and the sellers. Everybody. Let's make this trend line. Yeah, we're shorting this bad boy. Definitely shorting this thing. 1390 is our entry, because as you can see how it's hitting the trend, it's a downward trend now. Look like it wants to head down. Let's make some money off this short. Again, use the candles. Let's shut off the indicators for a second. Let's shut off everything, actually. See this? See how it's just going lower and lower? You can learn to read the chart patterns. Don't need to rely on the indicators as much. Depends on what level trader you become. Keep that in mind. Thank God we cut our loss on that one, right? See how it's falling now? Let's see how far it can fall. This should be our exit. Right here. There's a sidestep green. Bounce, bounce. Just gonna try to bounce again. I need to see the volume bars. There we go. Woo! Let's go, sellers. Bring it down. Bring it down. I'm in a short. Go to my direction. It's holding nicely on the 384 level of support. Very nicely. It's holding very nicely on it. There you go. Let's bring it down to the trend of 81. And maybe we'll get out. But there's the next level of support. Okay, we got 84. We got 81. And then we got 75. Let's see how this plays out. Again, short scalps. In, out, in, out. There we go. There we go. Our entry was 1390, by the way, guys, for a short starting at 1390. All right, let's go. This should fall to 1381. Let's make it happen. We're already up 200 something dollars in a few minutes. Oh, it's loving its 1384 support level. It's absolutely loving that level. Let's look at the RSI. RSI is going down. Come on, baby girl, keep going down. That's what I like to see. Yes. Let's go. Extremely bearish candles right here on the 5-minute chart. Sellers are running the show right now. All right, it's trying again to break the trend. That downward trend line, as you can see. Better not break it, girl. Let's feel this trend. I mean, yeah, let's feel that. There we go. There we go. All right, we don't need this one anymore. This trend is dead. All right, let's get out. Looks like it's going to break the trend. Let's wait for a side step. Yeah, let's get out. Let's wait for a side step and we could take an entry to the upside going long. Let's see how it plays out. All right, it's consolidating. Hit side down, consolidating. It's holding very nicely on the 200. I'd rather get an entry of 85 than 87 right now. There we go. Just touched the 85. And there's the fall. It's holding on 84. I like this level. I'm going to take the entry. 85. It's holding steadily on that support level. If it fails, we'll get out. Not a problem. We're already up for the day. Just downwards trend. It's holding on top of it. And it's holding on the trend. Let's adjust this bad boy. Our entry was 1385 going long. We have multiple levels of support. That strong trend line. Let me show you guys on the 15. Let me show you. The overall trend is to the upside. Looks like it's breaking it. Let's see. There it goes down. We're still good. I don't fear this trade. The SPY is holding on the 200 right now. Oil futures. And the SPY just broke the 200. That's what's bringing this down right now. All right, the SPY found support. Right on schedule. That's it. Let's go. Let's break this trend. We got how many levels of support this thing has to deal with? Sorry, resistance. We got one resistance, two, three. Has 3 levels of resistance to get through. The overall trend, this downtrend line, and this support level. Let's go. Let's make this happen. All right, there it is. There we go. Trend has been broken. We are already in the trade. Our entry was again 1385 going long. There we go. As the SPY found support, now the volume is coming in exactly like predicted. Looking at the SPY again on my multi-screen. Make sure you have a multi-screen. You have to, mandatory. Especially for my seminar students. You already know, guys. Link is in my bio. The ultra wide that I have anyway. All right, let's go. Let's keep this thing going. We want to get out around 1393. 1 penny below resistance. Showing you guys how it's possible to make a little extra money with not that much money trading a blue chip. You don't need to go to penny stocks. I can promise you that. To make a decent amount in a few minutes. We'll look at the P&L at the end of the trade. Right now, your focus shouldn't even be on the P&L percentage or the number. It should just be your trade. When a basketball player plays basketball, a baseball player, they're not looking at the scoreboard. They're just playing. Keep that in mind. Just play the game. The money is a distraction. There we go. We got the buyers coming in. Trend is broken. Let's see what happens. How's this SPY look at? Excuse me. SPY's looking good. There we go. That VWAP level of resistance there. Right on schedule. Hit VWAP, came down. All right, let's go. Hold on to that trend line. You see VWAP is extremely strong levels of resistance right here. We got 3 aggressive bullish candles. See what happens here. How's the SPY looking? SPY looks like it hit resistance at the 200. It's coming down, bringing down MRO with it. We should have taken our exit, but it's okay. It's all good. Again, the SPY is bringing this down with it. It's making the same maneuvers practically. Let's bring the SPY line in here. Pink. There you go. That pink line is the SPY right there, guys. I'm looking at it on my multi-screen. I just didn't want too many lines on my screen. It's holding very nicely on the 9 and the 20. Beautiful. It's above the 200. That happens. This thing looks like it's going to curl up, charge, and break through. Let's see. All right, this trend. As you can see, the SPY is coming down. Let's get rid of the SPY. Let's adjust the trend. Woo! That sell-off from the SPY just now. God damn. SPY's bringing the whole house down. Should have got out of that trade right here. Alright, it's going to try again. SPY's found support at the support level. Let me show you guys. There you go. This is what's causing the MRO trade to come down. But it's found support right at this level. On my multi-screen, I'm just looking at it over there. The oil futures also just came down from that. Let's go back. MRO wants to go, but the SPY says hell no. Thank God for this trend. It's holding on it. It's holding on it. I was just stuck between the trend and the support level right here. There we go, broke through, let's go. We had a safe entry at 1385, a penny above support. Always wait for like a pullback. If you see a pump happen too aggressively, The best scenario is always to buy at support. Always. Let me get the volume up here. There we go. SPY is making lower highs. Again, if you didn't know your ticker, you would get out. There's multiple levels of exits you could attempt. Right? There's an exit at here under the support, 83. The next exit would be below the trend, anywhere at this level in the 81s, 80 range. There's another level of support at 75, but I know my ticker. Where this thing wants to go. I've been trading this for long enough. SPY is bringing it down, but it wants to go back up. SPY keeps finding support, then losing support. Let's get rid of all of it. Except the volume. Just to show you guys a cleaner screen. Alright, this trend is dead. Let's get rid of this one. Alright, looks like here's round 3. 2, 3. Let's go for a knock knock boom over here. Again, our entry was 1385. $20,000 shares at 85, but that didn't help. That did not help. Got volume coming in. Let's go. It wants to. Hit it once. Undecided. And decided does not know which way it wants to go. Does not know which way it wants to go. Baby girl, breakthrough. break through to the upside. There it is. Let's go. Give me a sidestep green. Hold above the trend. Let's go to the upside. Let's make it happen. Let's make a trend on this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. SPY found support again. Fallen multiple times, has found support. Oil futures fell, found support. Let's see what happens here. Let's see, SPY is being pumped nicely. Oil futures is falling pretty aggressively. We might need to get out this trade. Let's see what's happening. Here, we're gonna get out of that as a break even. Let's short this thing. Right there. 84, 1200. As I can see, all the data just points to the downside. Trend is broken again. Let's get rid of that. Oil futures is falling. SPY is falling. It's holding on support, but it looks like it wants to fall. I'm not trusting this right now at all. To the downside. Let's go, baby girl. This thing wants to go. Let me check something out. The low was 1378. Again, I'm looking right here. The low was 1378. 1378. Thank God I got that. Looking at the SPY and looking at the oil futures, it was just telling me there's no way. The buyers ain't going to want this to go up. As of now, anyway. Small, quick scalps, in and out, in and out. That's what it's all about. It's holding nicely on the overall trend. See the oil futures. Nope, still tumbling. SPY still tumbling. It's got pumped heavy last week, so I probably short its run. It needs to cool off. Can't go on forever. It's the deciding factor really right here. This is the point. Now it's completely squeezed into this area. As you can see, tighter, tighter, tighter. The way the SPY is maneuvering and the way the futures of oil is maneuvering, this thing should come down. I think it wants to go back to 1875. Let's see what happens. What was the low? 78? 78. Just fall and then go back up, baby girl. Come on. Just let it go. Just let it go. These buyers need to look at the oil futures and SPY. What are you doing, 5,000 guys? Come on. Whoo! SPY's falling. SPY's falling. There we go. As scheduled, as predicted. SPY found support. Oil futures found support. See if it's enough momentum to get this to the upside. Our entry was 84, everybody. 84. So a short position, by the way, to the downside. Let's look at this on the 15. I'm looking at this on the 15 on my second monitor. Look at this. Woo! But it's, as you can see, held in the 84.80 levels right here. Consolidation. It only has really two areas it could go. Up around here, down, and then bounce back up. That's what it's been doing since June 21st. Sorry, June 1st. Of course, stuck between a rock and a hard place. I don't know where you think you're going. Come back down. Come right back down. Buyers, what are you guys doing? Look at the SPY, guys. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Almost at the low of the day. So I don't know where MRO thinks it's going. Let's just show you the overall. Look at that. Since market opens, hits the resistance, just tumbles now. It's tumbling. There you go. Same with MRO. I don't know where it thought it was going. Let me show you guys the oil futures as well. Again, everything's on my second monitor, but same thing with the oil futures coming down as well. It got pumped to the high. It's 52-week high. Hit it, broke through, $70 a barrel, and then coming down. Let's go. Just go all the way down to the 70 level. Come on. Come on. Now it's really consolidating right here. Every time the SPY finds support, MRO finds support. Oil futures find support, MRO finds support. It's all correlated. All right, let's look at the SPY. Nope. Still not looking so good. Sidestep green candle. Okay, now it did a sidestep green candle. But it's still stuck under way too many levels of stuck under the 20, under the 200. Yeah, this thing needs to just fall already. Like, come on. So that once it falls aggressively, come right back up. Downtrend, sideways. There we go. Let's go. Oil futures is falling way too aggressively right now. Now it just becomes a patience game, really. It's just this. See? Nope. We're staying strong on this short position because again, the SPY and the oil futures just keep tumbling. They just keep falling. We're going to stay in the short position. There you go. Again, our short position entry was 1384. If you don't remember. 1384. Come on, give me a big drop. You know you want to. You know you want to, MRO. Come on. There you go. You can just tell the way the candles are moving. Price action. I shut off all the indicators so you guys can have somewhat of a clean screen. 78, 78. Let's do a reverse knock, knock, boom. That'd be very nice. Knock, knock, to the downside. Buyers, what are you doing, guys? What are you doing? Look at the oil futures. No. Let me show you guys this on a bigger time frame. Look at all the sell-offs. 15-minute. Let's pull up the indicators. Show you the MACD. Buyer sell line above the 0 histogram. Sellers are in control. Momentum is shifting to the downside. Again, I don't know why these people are buying because the SPY in the future is not looking so good. They gotta pay attention. Getting themselves caught in bad trades. This is on the 2-hour. Let's see. Let's shift this. Let me see on the 15. Hold on. What the hell? How far did I make that line? God damn. What's the numbers looking like? 1.4 mil. Overall, the sellers are running the show today. So far, anyway. Yep. No fear on this trade with the short position. Keep it coming. Keep it coming down. There you go. Let's go. SPY, futures, oil. Come on. Everybody's coming down. Everybody. Almost an hour trading and we're up 174 bucks. Not bad. $174 an hour. Let's aim for $200 an hour and we're out of this trade. We'll call it quits. There we go. I don't know why these guys are buying, man. I feel bad for these guys. Should learn to read the chart. So much data in the oil futures and SPY, guys. Seriously. So much data. Just look at the SPY and the oil futures. Again, if you're trading an oil stock, I'm only saying the oil futures. If you're not trading oil, then it doesn't concern you. Just focus on the SPY. This thing wants to fall aggressively. Just let it fall. Just let it fall. Get me to $200 the hour and I'm good. Not bad from $50 an hour, right? Teaching. 50 bucks an hour. Again, this video is dedicated to all of those with a small account that think penny stocks are the way to go. This video is really dedicated for you. To show you that no, you don't need to trade penny stocks. You don't need to take high volatility and craziness to make money. You can trade a nice, slow-moving blue chip. Anyone you want once you do your research on it and understand its trends, understand its movements. It's possible. Again, this is just roughly $15,000, $16,000 trade. Roughly. That's it. Going long and short, long and short. Quick scalps. Come on, Lassie. You know you want to fall. Come on, come on. Just take me to 78. We started trading at 9:34. I would love to end at 10:34. Come on, baby girl. To get a full $200 trading day would be nice. I'll be happy with that. That'll motivate people watching. Come on. Okay, it's been 1 hour trading. Let's go. It's full. 77 is our exit, actually. 77. I don't care if it falls further. Just to make the point that it's all possible. Come on. Come on. We're at $198 for the day. 1 hour. Exactly. We get in the reverse knock knock boom, knock knock boom. This should be the boom to the collapse of the downside. What are y'all doing? SPY's falling. Futures has found support. Okay. Let's go. Let's fall. We're 1 hour and what? 3 minutes in? Come on. SPY continues to come down. Damn it. Alright, hit that level of resistance. Come back down, baby girl. Come on. I don't know where you going. I don't know where MRO again. I don't know where this thing is going because SPY found some support, but overall, no, it's gonna come right back down. It's gonna come right back down. I don't know where you think you're going, MRO. Let's look at the oil futures again. Oh, the SPY futures. Let's go to the SPY. Down, broke the downtrend, consolidating, still falling. Oil futures down as well. So I don't hope MRO thinks it has. Adjust the trend. Let's bring it down. This thing's gonna come down. It just needs to come down a little faster. Consolidating over here. Downtrend on the 2-hour. Same thing here. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 red days already. Which is normal because, again, this thing got just pumped aggressively way off track. It needs to come back into alignment, really. Needs to come back. Let's see, just make a temporary trend line for a second to show you what I'm talking about. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to align right back into these numbers. Just to fall back in line. It's just the way it works. But with blue chips, they move nice and slow. Without stress. Especially MRO. And it's helping that the SPY is down and the oil futures is down. All of that helps. Now it looks like it's stuck between this resistance here and the support on the trend line. We'll get out at 1377. 1377. We should have got out right here, but it hit 78. Yeah, we could have got out at 77. Market slowed down. It's slow right now. Should have got out at 77. We would have been good to go. We would have been done with the trades for the day. Exactly 1 hour, believe it or not. This would have been 1 hour. It's all good. Show you guys a spy. Found a level of support. Show you the oil futures. Woo! Broke that level of support. All right, let's go. I hate thinking like this, but I'm in a short right now. I need MRO to fall. Come on, baby girl, fall. Same with the oil futures. Still on this downwards trajectory. The good thing with making downtrend lines or uptrend lines, just to show you that the overall direction of the candles. Keep that in mind. Regardless of whatever you think about trend lines or indicators or any of that, it's really just a guide to show you, to help you. Like, oh, okay, it's going lower and lower and lower and lower. You know? That's one thing you need to keep in mind. That's really what it's happening. That breakdown right here. The pump hit lower, 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 and lower. See that? That's all it really is, guys. Keep that in mind. All right, our exit's coming up. Holy moly, that's a lot of sellers. What happened here? 17,000. That's 17,000 guy. Come on, baby girl, let's go. This is where sitting on your hands is good. If you were going long, this would be like danger zone, right? Today's definitely not a day to be going long, I can tell you that, on this trade. We took small scalps. The key word is we did take a couple long, I believe. Every trade went well except one. The other one we broke even on. We're still in the profits. Either breaking even for the day or in profits. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. When this thing is going to fall, it's going to break through the 78 hard. It wants to. You'll see. Again, like I said with the... It keeps going lower and lower and lower. Knock, knock, boom. This should have been the boom. Should have been the reverse knock, knock, boom. Let's get on the 5 minute. Knock, knock, boom. Yep. Should have been. It's going to be, that's for sure. Most definitely will be. I don't know why it's playing its games. Y'all are ridiculous. Y'all are ridiculous over here. What? That's because it's 1380? What? What are y'all doing? Y'all need to let it fall here and then buy it. Buy it at this level for me. For God's sakes. Stop it. You crazy kids. I keep warning y'all. Stop buying. It just goes lower and lower. What don't you guys understand, man? If I could just send them my YouTube channel. If they only understood. Struggling to get this thing to a level it's not going to go to. These guys. What are y'all doing? This thing will break through 78. Easily break through 78. And keep falling. I'm just going to get out the trade after that. 77 is my exit. 77 is my exit. If I can keep my word. There you go. Oh, God damn it. Okay, don't sell. Got to buy because on a short position. I don't want this video to be too long. Even though I did a poll on my IG and they said, we want them long, Professor. So, yeah. I want to get out of 77, man. Actually, 79 is a good exit. That's why it keeps bouncing off of it. Why do I keep saying 77? Oh, I'm looking at it reversed if I was going long. Actually, 79 is my exit. 79 is my exit. This is my exit right now. I keep missing my exit. It's just an excuse. It's just greed. Greed is the mother of all sins. There's my exit, boys and girls. But I know this thing's gonna go lower. This thing's gonna go lower. Because it wants to break that 78 level support. Just break it, baby girl. Just break it. God damn it, just break the goddamn level. You know you want to. I've been calling you wanting to. Let's go. Let's go. Knock, knock, boom. Didn't happen. All right, so fine. We did a knock, knock, knock. Let's go with these dojis over here. What are y'all doing? Y'all need to stop buying. Stop buying. Yo, weirdos. Huh? What are you going to do? They need to come to live shows, I swear to God. There we go, boys. Good job. Sell it all. That's my exit, guys. On a short, a penny above the support so it doesn't keep doing this goddamn bounce. You see that level of support? God damn, it's a strong level of support. God damn. We should get out. But greed is a mother effer. We know it's going to break. It's going to break so hard. Not just the normal break. It's going to break aggressively to the downside. Look at all the sellers. Finally. I've been telling y'all for how long? Speak it into fruition. All right. This is taking too long. I'm out of this trade, guys. That's a wrap. That's a wrap on that trade. All right. It's too long. Too long of a trade. All right. As you can see, we got out. It could have broken the trend and gone to the upside. I wasn't risking it. You know what? We can get back in the trade. Let's keep it going. Why the hell not? I wish I could do a poll right now. Should we keep going? Should we keep going? Do a risk trade. This will be risky, but we'll just get out. 78, we have strong levels of support, right? Let's see. Yo, if this breaks, yo, it just broke. It just broke. It just broke after I got out. Oh, the way that works. The way that works. Swear to God. Swear to God. 77. Mother of God. Mother of God. It always does that. That's funny. It's actually pretty funny. I don't even want to end the trade at this point. I want to go back in. I want to retaliate against this trade. What does Richard call that? Revenge trading? Bloody hell. Buyers came in now. We could take a trade around the 70s. A quick one. Let's do another short. Get pumped. Get pumped. That's us. 79. Damn it. I wanted to get out of 77 and go back long on this one. It'll do a bounce off that bottom trend. Ugh, so fast. I look at my second screen and damn, it just disappeared on me. Yes, come on. Come on. God damn, that was fast. Again, we're in a short position. 1379 was our short position entry. Now was just now we're just having a fun trade. Now we just want to have a little fun trade. The trend is at 1377. It hit 1377. Oil futures is still falling. SPY found support. Let's look at this on the 15. MACD on the 15. Sellers in control. The buyer's line is below the 0-point histograms. Okay, let's go. Sellers back running the show on the momentum side. This looks like the seller's game right now. This looks like the seller's game right now. All right, let me turn on the indicators for those that might want to look at it. Wherever the hell they are. Where the hell? Oh, I shut them off. Here are your EMAs, ladies and gentlemen. Just so you could see, we're below the 200. We're below the 9. We're sorry, the 20. We're stuck under the 9. It's stuck at support right now. Just so you know, where the hell's the VWAP? VWAP is all the way up here. So we're in definitely bearish territory. We're below everything. Think of it at different levels of resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of resistance just by the indicator itself. We're getting into a tighter and tighter corner. Look at this battle. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Come on. Oh, goddamn. Oh, goddamn, bro. Like, come on. Stop it. Just fall. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. As predicted. Yes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Close that position. I'm done. All right, guys. That is scalping. That is scalping right there. Simple, quick and easy, long, short. Let it keep falling. We are done with that. Let's pull up my P&L. Let's review the trade. So hold on. Let me load it up. Alrighty, guys. We are back. So let's go over the trades, right? Let's start it off. So we made a total of $211.33. Today's date. So let's scroll down. So we started a short position at 934. We took a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7, because this was a short. We took 7 trades, total of $211.33. Roughly 1,200 shares in each hit. That's roughly $16,000, roughly. And yeah, we started at 9:34. We ended at 11:03. So you could say an hour and a half. So in an hour and a half, we made $211.33. So there you go. That's scalp trading. This is the benefits of it. For you, if this is not a lot of money, well, that's fine. You should do the math on that. Let's do the math on that, right? Where's the calculator? Let's do the math on that. For those that might say, oh, I can make more in the riskier penny stocks. Let's do the math. This is 211 times 5. Who wouldn't like an extra $1,000 a week off of an hour and a half of work? Right? Let's time that by the weeks, 4 weeks. That's $4K extra, $4,220 extra by doing an hour and 30 minutes of work. That's all you have to do. With, again, keep in mind, only $16,000. That's it. You could still keep trading this. You could still keep going and trading this as a short position. Long, short, found support, sidestep green, keep going. It keeps collapsing. Our exit, where's it? Where'd it go? I exited out. Mother of God. Our exit was 76, right? So, as you can see, it fell to 73, but now it's hovering around this level. So, point being, it's all possible. Find a nice blue chip, study it, learn its ways, learn to master going long, and then master going short. Quick scalps. For those that say technical analysis doesn't work, well, guess what? Don't listen to that. Try out what I'm trying to give you. It's all free. Use it, understand it, and that's it, guys. All right? That's it. Have a great day. We'll talk.